So let me show you how to hide likes on Instagram. So you can hide the like count on your own posts. So go to your profile, pick a post, any post like this one, and then you can tap on the three dots in the top right and then tap on hide like count. And the like count is going to be hidden for that particular post. And you can do that for all the posts in your Instagram profile. Now you can also do it while you're publishing. So you can go into the advanced settings when you're publishing a photo or a video and hide the like count. So to do that, let me just quickly publish a reel. I'm just gonna go there, and then now once you write your caption and whatever it is you're writing there, just before you publish, you should be able to go to more options, tap on that, and then you can scroll and enable hide like count on this reel. Okay, so you can do that also while publishing. Now if you also don't want to see the likes on other people's posts, then you can also change that in the settings. So you can go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then that should open settings and activity. And then now you can scroll is scrolling basically to this section here called what you see. So you should see like and share counts. So you can tap on that and then hide like and share counts. When you enable that, now you will not be able to see the likes, the like and share counts on other people's posts. So that is basically how to hide likes on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.